We basically have a huge workshop. We have the 2-stroke part, the 4-stroke part, turbocharger division where we do overhauling, the steam turbine part, the industrial part, so to say. We still have the lifting capacity of 160 tons. This is something unique we have within the PrimeServ network. We have a certified laboratory here in Hamburg. We do material testing for every industry. We got back our berth at the Hachmann Kai with a depth of 7.7 meters for ships which can go alongside. That is some unique things we are having here in Hamburg, and I think also within the PrimeServ network in the world. If you order your spare parts needed, then we will make sure that you have the parts available when you have the schedule. Well, in general, we are completely ISO certified here with the German standards. We have to do it. And we are also certified according to international standard, classification standard, because we are working in the marine industry. We have a dedicated team. They are specialized in work which calls on-site recovery works, for example. This is work where you do not need to dismantle the engine and bring it ashore on a ship or bring it outside a factory or the power plant. It is our common procedure that once we finish a large project, that we invite all participants. For me, as managing director here in Hamburg, I really want to know what went wrong. I'm proud if he says everything went fine, but then I don't know what I have to change. I do have a great team here with great motivation to become better in the future, but also to adapt new procedures, to adapt in digital solutions, which makes our work easier, simpler, and also more interesting. I'm also proud about our own staff we are having here. Some of them, they are working with MAN for 40 years. Why 40 years? Because they start also their apprenticeship here in Hamburg. So, and they stay with the company, they care about the value, they're also proud about the product. The other thing is that if I have somebody as apprentice here in Hamburg, he must have a heart for a machine, and it's not that always the young generation still like to work on a machine, on a ship, on a power plant. And if I can, let's say, educate our own personnel for replacement of older people, then it would be very nice. The older generation, they are due for retirement, and I'm happy if I have somebody who can follow them. I'm personally also proud about the products we are having within Everlands.